Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret. Chapter 9, Shloka 25. The worshippers of the Devas or gods go to the Devas. The ancestor worshippers go to the Pitras or ancestors. Worshippers of the Bhutas go to the Bhutas or the elements. But my worshippers come to me.
Chapter 9, Shloka 25. Yanti devavrata devan pitrun yanti pitruvrataha bhutani yanti bhutejya yanti madhyajinopi mam.
Chapter 9, Shloka 25. How even those who invoke the eternal by wrong methods come to enjoy some profits is explained. It is a law of life that as you think, so you become. When we think, we weave a pattern with our thoughts, which becomes the blueprint for our actions, and as you sow, so you reap. Wherever there is action, there will be results. But what kind of results accrue depends upon the goal chosen, intention, and many other factors. Devas, which are illuminators, may be taken to mean the entire field of physical experiences. Those who quote the external world of the joys and successes with sufficient devotion come to gain the field of demanded experiences. Worshippers of ancestors should be understood to mean persons who are eagerly alive to the cultural purity and tradition of their ancients and who are striving to live up to those ideals. An individual who is constantly putting efforts to live up to the ancient cultural traditions as a result of his constant application comes to gain the beauty and the shine of the exquisite life of purity and perfection. Worshippers of the Bhutas are the secular scientists who apply themselves to study the field of physical nature and behavior of things and beings. Their diligent self-application assures success in the secular fields. This is thus, if consistency of thinking upon the Devas yields the Devas upon the ancestors, takes to ancestral heritage upon the Bhutas positive success in mastering nature, then by the same principle we are assured that by constant meditation with a single pointed mind upon the nature of the self, the meditator in the long run can discover his total identity with the self, eternal and infinite. Thus, the logic behind the assurance given by the Lord has been explained here. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.